For dolls and fairy tales, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Once upon a time, in a mystical land where the moonlight painted the skies in hues of lavender and gold, there lived a gentle fairy named Elara. She lived in the fragrant petals of a moonflower garden, her wings shimmering like pearls in the soft glow of the night. One evening, as Elara danced among the flowers, her melodious laughter caught the attention of a humble frog named Finnegan. He had been hopping along the riverbank, content in his solitude, until the sound of Elara's laughter stirred something within him. By listening the enchanting melody, Finnegan ventured closer to the moonflower garden, his bulbous eyes wide with wonder. There, he saw Elara among the flowers, her beauty captivating his heart. "Hello there, little frog," greeted Elara, her voice as delicate as a whispering breeze. "What brings you to my garden?" Finnegan croaked nervously, his cheeks flushing with embarrassment. "I couldn't help but be drawn to the sound of your laughter," he confessed. "It's unlike anything I've ever heard." Elara smiled warmly, her heart touched by Finnegan's sincerity. "You are most welcome here, dear friend," she said, extending her hand in friendship. And so, an unlikely bond formed between the fairy and the frog. They spent their days exploring the wonders of the enchanted forest, their laughter echoing through the trees like the chiming of bells. But their beautiful companionship was soon tested by the arrival of a naughty sorcerer named Malachi. By jealousy of Elara's beauty and the joy she brought to the forest, he cast a malevolent spell, transforming Finnegan into a stone statue. Heartbroken and desperate, Elara go to the wise old owl who lived in the tallest tree of the forest and asked for the help. The owl gave a wand to the Elara to break Malachi's curse. Owl told Elara that this wand will help only if she stand like a mountain in front of sorcerer, and don't show any fear to the sorcerer. Elara took the wand and promised that she will fight bravely. Under the cloak of darkness, Elara journeyed to the heart of the swamp where Malachi resided, her heart pounding with determination. With a flick of her wand and a whispered incantation, she confronted the sorcerer, demanding that he undo the curse he had cast upon Finnegan. Malachi sneered, his eyes ablaze. "Why should I grant your wish? Little fairy, what power do you possess to challenge me?" But Elara stood bravely, her courage shining brighter than the moon above. "I may be small, but I wield the magic of love and friendship," she declared. "And with that magic, I will free my dear friend from your wicked spell." With a wave of her wand and a heartfelt plea, Elara broke the curse that held Finnegan captive, restoring him to his true form. And as the first rays of dawn illuminated the forest, they embraced, their bonds stronger than ever before. From that day onward, Elara and Finnegan continued to explore the wonders of the enchanted forest, their friendship a beacon of light in a world touched by darkness. And though they faced many challenges along the way, they knew that as long as they stood together, they could overcome any obstacle that crossed their path.